Y. What did I do with the egg dipper?
It's right here.
You see it? Oh, there it is. Mommy gets a blue egg. Look at that. Now let's make one for Daddy. Okay. D, A, D, D, Y. Daddy gets whatever color this is. Watch. Daddy gets a pinkish purple egg. Now, let's make a Scotty.
Lilia.
S-C-O-T-T-Y. Scotty
Yay.
gets a green egg.
Okay, Lilia.
There's one more left.
Drop yours in the orange one.
Put it in there. Put it in there. Get your egg. Put it in there.
Drop it in.
Yay!
Good job. Good job, sweetie.
Now let's check them. Let's look at this one. There's Lily's egg.